Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to monitor an FTP server using NagiosXI. Monitoring an FTP server with NagiosXI is essential to ensure continuous availability and performance, allowing you to detect issues and resolve issues like downtime or slow response times before they impact users. Come on, let's dive right into today's video. The first step is to head to the left side, hover over the gear icon, and then click on Configuration Wizards. In the search field, we can type in FTP, and then the FTP Server Configuration Wizard will come up. Let's click on it, and then let's enter the IP address of our FTP server we are trying to monitor. Now we can click Next, and the first setting it lets us change is the host name. This host name is what it will populate in XI as. So I'm going to name mine FTP Test 1, just for demo purposes. Beneath we have some server metrics that we can monitor. The first is FTP server. The settings check the FTP server to ensure it can be contacted by clients. The next is the port. FTP is on port 21, so we can leave that the same. Next we can use SSL. Beneath this, we have file transfer. This checks the FTP server to ensure a test file can be uploaded to and deleted from the root directory. This does not support SSL. You can type in a user and password for the file transfer. When this page is fully configured, we can go to the bottom and we can click Next. On this page, we have some check intervals. The top setting is, under normal circumstances, NagiosXI will monitor the host and service every 5 minutes. This number is totally customizable to your liking. Beneath is when a potential problem is first detected, NagiosXI will recheck the host and service every 1 minute up to 5 times before sending you a notification. These numbers are customizable as well. When this page is good to go on your end, we can click Next. We now have notification settings. The default is to send a notification immediately, but you are always welcome to have notifications turned off completely for this wizard or wait a certain amount of time before sending a notification. We can scroll down and click Next. Here we have some desired host groups, service groups, and parent host. Just for demo purposes, I'm going to leave this completely default. If we scroll to the bottom, we can click Next. And finally, we can click Finish and Apply to apply the configuration wizard to your NagiosXI. And as you can tell, the wizard that we just configured is in our host status detail, and we are currently monitoring it with its services as well. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to follow along today's video super smoothly. If you need any more support and or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and happy monitoring.